What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Bitcoin and how this can actually be a massive M pattern or potentially a double bottom, guys. It's going to be a fun one today. Yeah, trying to work out the market at the same time with you guys. The first time I'm looking at the chart today. As soon as I turn the chart on, I just hit record and I just sit here and do it with you guys. But if you remember correctly, up here I was saying that well, sorry, just this, because we only had that, is looking a lot like this. And I was saying that if we come up now, which from here, if we come up now and break this high, we're going to continue up. So if we just came up here and broke above that wick, if we closed above 48.1k, this never would have happened. We're going to see if Bitcoin is safe to trade, basically, and in which direction. So, of course, we're consolidating between support and resistance, 39.5k and 41.5k. This is our range. Don't forget, this is also an ascending triangle. Obviously, we had this larger one, this being a resistance, and this ascending support. Now, for the smaller ascending triangle, it's also this ascending support, but this horizontal resistance here, the neckline of this double bottom. First of all, we had this double bottom here, and we had this bullish hammer, which is basically the signal that we're going to come up into the resistance and try and break above it. So even on that red candle, guys, I did say I think that we could try and test the 55, and then I think that we're going to fail and come back down to the pink line. That's happened exactly as predicted. So credits to anyone who took that trade. No matter if you didn't, there's always going to be trades. Yeah, every week basically. So what we need to get ready for is the break of the 618. Now, it's not something that we want to happen. We want this continuation to the upside to break this high and head to 52k and even higher. However, if we come down and lose the 618, 39k, don't forget, this is a very important level. And the reason this is yellow, if you remember correctly, from absolute months ago, guys, we've been speaking about this 39k wick. And literally throughout these last month, 2 months or so, we've been talking about this range and how every time it's come to this yellow line, it's not holding it as support. So over here, you got above it, but you couldn't confirm its support, fell straight through. Here you had a little retest of resistance, found a higher low and broke through, but could not test it as support. You broke back under it. You broke back above, so you couldn't test it as resistance, but then you couldn't test it as support. You went back down, and then we just broke above it again. Couldn't test it as resistance. We just went through it. And again, here, even though we fell to the EMAs, which is very nice to see, to the bullish cross, you did not come back down to the yellow area. And that's why after this bullish cross, where we pumped into this resistance, and everyone's getting so excited, we broke out of the ascending triangle. But I remember correctly, I was telling everyone on YouTube, as well as everyone on my Discord, I do not believe in this breakout. I am not buying this breakout because, yeah, how many days were we going up straight? I think it was 9 days straight. And I said, look, it's the same as this. On the way up, I said, this is exactly the same as this. This move down was the same move as that. This move up was the same move as that. And yeah, I told you guys, if we're losing this wick, I'm expecting it to come back down to the double bottom neckline. But you could not backtest it as support. And the reason is, when we broke out, we never backtested it as support. And that is why I was not confident to long over here, guys. That was the main reason why I closed my long position that we entered over here. We closed at the resistance over here because we were expecting this pullback. And if we did pull back here, back to the double bottom, we would not have done this over here. We'd have just fall back to the nice support one more time and then break out, hold that as support and head to our next targets. But unfortunately, because you never confirmed any of these areas as support, that's why I've fallen back. So because we broke out here and never back tested it, that is why we're now coming back to it and falling through it. So it's the same with this yellow line. Because there was previous support here on the 39k wick there, and then September and January. But since January, we have not tested it as support. This is actually the first time since January that we've actually come down and actually held it as support rather than in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Yeah, just ridiculous. If you're enjoying the video, if you ever enjoy any videos, please smash the like button. I was gonna say smash the like button, like the video, but like, subscribe, and comment, guys. Let's get this video to 50 likes. We've been doing it over the last few days, so thank you guys for the support. If you're interested in any of the crypto packages that I offer, I'm here to help you 10x your learning curve. I want to make as many people as I can into self-sufficient traders, a person that won't need anyone's guidance, not a YouTuber's help, no one's help, not even my help by the end of it. So if you're interested, I have all the tools you need to build the house. You just have to put in the hard work, stay disciplined and consistent, and you'll be flying. If you're interested, the link in the description down below to my Twitter is there. Head over to the pinned post over there, and yeah, comment down below so we can get you started. So yeah, that's it pretty much, guys. We're coiling up in this ascending triangle. Of course, we want the bullish outcome, but unfortunately, we had this massive bearish rejection. We're coming into the 618 again. We need to hold it at all costs. Your target to the downside would be lose this yellow line. We're coming down into 37.8k, back down to these wicks, something that we said that is likely to happen. We've been saying on the channel for a while now. And if we're breaking to the upside over here, then you can see we'd be heading up to this previous high, 43.4k. So that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget, if we are falling out of this, you're validating this rising wedge as well as the continuation of this head and shoulders patterns target, and we could be going as low as 28k. I've already explained though, I don't believe we're coming to 28k. I think our support is going to be in around 31k. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3k, scam master account management where I lost 5k, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.